Third graders, welcome back to another third grade YLOC video. The first topic that we're going to be going over today is place value. I'm first going to be doing number 3. Number 3, 153, and we have to figure out what place value the 1 is in. And to figure out what place value is, you just look at which number it is. So let's say, for example, this number, the 3 is on the 1's place. Let me just is in the 1's place. The 5 is in the 10's place. And the 1 is in the 100's place. So the answer for number 3 is going to be hundreds. Hundreds. You just need to figure out which place value or which place the number is in first, and then you can figure it out. So let's do number 7 next. We have to try figuring out what place value the 5 is in. And as we look in the problem before, you have to first think what place is the 7 in, and the 7 is in the 1's place, and then after the 1's place is the 10's place. So 10's is going to be your answer. And the last problem we're going to be doing is number 12. So we have to try looking for where the 8, what place the 8 is in, and 8 is obviously in the 1's place. The 1's place is the place value where the number starts. So all of these problems, the number farthest to the right is going to be the 1's place, then the 10's place, then the hundreds, then thousands, and so on. The next topic we're going to be doing is even and odd numbers. We're going to first do number 4. An even number, let me write it over here. Even number is any number with 0 to 4, 6, 8, yeah. And then if any of these numbers are in the number, it's an even number. And an odd number is any number with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. So if we look at number 4, 52. And these numbers, the even and odd numbers, whatever the last number is the number that it determines whether it's an even or odd number. So for example, number 4, 52 ends in a 2, and 2 is an even number, so the answer is going to be even. And number 7, 9. Is 9 an odd or an even number? And clearly it's an odd number as we see here, so we're going to write odd as our answer. And number 15, let me just circle that again. 4,539. What number does this number end with? And a 9, which is odd number, so it's going to be odd is going to be your answer. The next topic is multiplication. So we're first going to be doing number 5. 3 times 4. I'm just going to draw 3 sets of 4. 4, that's one set of 4. That's another set. We're just going to draw one more set. Okay. Now we just need to count how many of these stars there are to find the answer. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we clearly see that the answer is 12. And the next question is 10. We're going to set this up in multiplication form, long multiplication form. And we're first going to multiply straight down. 1 times 7 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. Our answer is 77. the next question we're going to be doing is number 15. 15 is very similar to 10. We're going to be setting it up. And 0 times 3 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 30 is our answer. And the last problem is number 20. 20, 1 times any number is that number you're multiplying. So for example, in number 20, we have 1 times 4. We're multiplying 1 with the number 4, so our answer is going to be 4. The last topic we're going to be doing is number 2. So if we read number 2, it says 50 out of the 100 pencils David has are colored pencils. What fraction simplified of the pencils are colored? So if we write 50 out of the 100 in fraction form, it's simply just 50 over 100. And it says what fraction is simplified, so we need to find the most simplified version of it. And to do that, you can just divide both the top and the bottom with the same number to reduce the fraction or to simplify the fraction. So what number in both of these can be simplified or can be divided by? So there's many numbers you can do it, but it's easier to do the biggest number. So the biggest number we see is 50. We can divide both the top and the bottom by 50. And the result we get is going to be 1 over 2. Because 50 divided by 50 is 1. 100 divided by 50 is 2. So our answer is going to be 1/2 of the color of 1/2 of the pencils are color pencils. Of 1/2 of the pencils, oops, I forgot right, are colored pencils. That is going to be our answer. Thank you for watching.